Ready to ditch the copy-paste and automate your messages like a pro? First up, hit that Create Zap button to kickstart your automation journey. Now, choose your trigger app. This is the app that will initiate the message. Let's say it's a new Google Sheet. Search for Google Sheets and select it as your trigger. Connect your Google Sheets account. Then specify which spreadsheet and worksheet Zapier should monitor for new rows. Test the trigger to make sure Zapier can grab the data correctly. A successful test means you are on the right track. Next, it's action time. Search for your messaging app of choice: Slack, Gmail, SMS by Zapier. The options are endless. Connect your messaging app account and customize your message. Use the data from your trigger like that Google Sheet row to personalize it. Map the data to the correct fields in your message template. Give your action a test run to see your message in action. A successful test sends a message through your specified messaging app. Finally, name your Zap and flip that switch to turn it on. Boom. You're now sending automated messages, saving time, and boosting your productivity. #message automation #Zapier tips.